Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair, 2016 Dodge Dart, doing a rear wheel speed sensor. So, this is what the old one looks like. Got a 10mm nut that holds it into the back of the hub, and 3 little clips, and your connector. Step back here in the back. There's your 10 right there. I used a long extension to get it, and a little pry tool to extract it out. Then I used some brake cleaner to clean off the areas, that way it goes back in easy, and a little PP blaster as well to make it go into the rather dirty hole a little bit easier. Little Christmas tree clip there, slide clip there, slide clip there. This piece right here comes off. There's a 10mm nut that goes right here, push pin that goes right here, and then back behind it you got the connector. Disconnect your connector, use a little pick tool, kind of like yay. It will dig out the dirt so that way you can get to the connector piece that goes right here and lift up on it and pull it off. Otherwise it'll be kind of frozen on there just to the age in the dirt. But this had a right rear wheel speed sensor circuit error, so that is why we are replacing it. Pretty simple job. Take you all of 15-20 minutes. Any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.